when I see this equation like this, it has these log values, they have the same base, and then I also have this term over here that has no logs in it. I know that I'm going to want to simplify the log part as much as I can, and then convert it to its exponential form. Okay? So one of the things you're going to want to do is put these logs on the same side of the equal sign. So I'm going to subtract this one that's over here on the right from both sides. So that's going to end up giving you log base 3 of x plus 3 minus log of base 3 of x minus 1. And that's going to be equal to 2. Now remember that with the properties of log tells us that if we have these two logs of the same bases and we're subtracting them, we can combine them as one log. The base will be base 3 still, but since you're subtracting, then you're going to combine these by dividing inside of the log. Okay, so now this is written as one log. And now, once it's written as one log, you can go ahead and convert and change it to its exponent form. So I'm going to start with the base and raise it to its exponent and set it equal to this value inside of the log here. So 3 squared equals x plus 3 over x minus 1. And now it's a matter of simplifying this equation. So we look at this equation, we think, okay, I need to get this x minus 1 out of the denominator. So we can do that by multiplying both sides by x minus 1. I'm also going to square the 3 at the same time. So that's going to give me 9 times x minus 1 over here on the left side of the equation. When I multiply the right side of the equation by x minus 1, the x minus 1's will cancel out and leaves me with just an x plus 3. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 9 over here, and I get 9x minus 9 equals x plus 3. I'm going to want to get the x to get rid of this x over here, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and it will leave me with 8x minus 9 equals 3. You add 9 to both sides so that you can again get x by itself eventually. So you'll get 3 plus 9, which is 12. And then we're going to divide both sides by 8. So we can solve this for x. And you can see here 12 divided by 8, you can simplify that. Divide both of those by 4, and that gives you 3/2. Okay, so now remember, whenever you have a log equation and you're solving for x, you always need to check your answer. So we want to check and see if x equals 3/2 is an answer that we can use. So what you're going to do to check your answer is simply plug this back in. And so we're going to find out if log base 3 of 3/2 plus 3, does that equal to 2 plus log of base 3 of 3/2 minus 1? Now I would just go ahead and 3/2 plus 3, that's going to be 4.5. Now remember, you can just plug this into your calculator by saying that this is log 4.5 over log of 3, sorry about that, and equal to 2 plus log of 1/2 over log of 3. And just plug that into your calculator and see if the left side equals the right. And it does, so you know that this is your solution.